Tonight, CBS News is investigating one of the largest auto recalls in history. 11 million vehicles whose airbags can cause serious injuries. Jeff Glore met one of the victims.
Stephanie Erdman's life changed forever in September of last year. She was involved in a collision in this Honda Civic in Destin, Florida. Instead of an airbag saving her, it nearly killed her.
Instant blindness on my right side, followed by gushing blood. It was terrifying. Yeah, I thought I was going to bleed out at first.
The airbag exploded and sent shrapnel into her face.
When you see the picture, some people wonder how you survived that.
Yes.
Do you wonder how you survived?
Absolutely. I was one of the lucky ones.
At least 2 people have died. An 18-year-old in Oklahoma and a mother of 3 in Virginia when the airbags didn't perform as designed. A coroner's report in California links a 3rd death. A government database shows more than 100 people have reported being hurt, all from airbags manufactured by the Takata Corporation of Japan. Clarence Ditlow leads the Center for Auto Safety.
This is one of the deadliest defects that we've ever seen, yet 10 years later, we're just beginning to get to the bottom of it.
Documents filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, show Honda, the biggest buyer of Takata airbags, first learned about an exploding airbag in 2004. They recalled about 4,000 cars in 2008. The recalls have now reached 11 million vehicles. At least 9 car makers are currently included, but the recalls are mostly regional, covering up to 9 states and 2 U.S. territories. That's because Takata believes the explosions are more likely to happen in humid climates, when moisture gets into the system.
Why not recall these vehicles in every single state?
Money.
And why does NHTSA accept that?
It's a frustration to us. How in the world can you approve a geographic recall that doesn't include the 2 states where people have been killed?
In a statement to CBS News, Takata says, "We fully recognize that one incident is one too many, which is why our products are subject to extensive testing. We are constantly investing in and examining ways to improve." Stephanie Erdman has spent the past year, helped by her family, in and out of reconstructive surgeries.
What's it been like for your family?
Tough. And they try to be strong for me, and I see it. But you can tell anytime I talk about it, and I try to talk about it all the time because it helps me, that it hurts them.
Erdman told us she is suing Honda. Honda would not comment on her case, but told us our hearts and sympathies go out to the individuals and families who've been affected. If a recall is necessary, we act swiftly and without hesitation. Scott, other car makers say they're following the recommendations of NHTSA.